I'm gonna show you how to get the heart shape and swash in the Hello Hand font using Microsoft Word on Mac. First, let's download the font from the font. You can click download here. Okay, once it's downloaded, go to your downloads folder and then you can find this folder. Open. You will see the OTF file. Click right and choose open with phone book. Okay. Now your phone is already installed successfully in your phone book on your Mac. Next, open a new document in Word and type whatever you want. I'm typing hello honey. Okay, I will make it as lowercase. I want a heart shape in the O and then swash on H and Y at the end. To do this, open phone book by pressing Command and space. Okay, you can search phone book here. Phone book. Okay, you will see this phone book. Open. And now scroll down until you get the character you want. I will search for O. This is O with heart shape. And then press Command C to copy. Go back to your Word document and change the font with Hello Honey. Command V. And then go back to your phone book, search for H with beginning letters. This is Command C, Command V, and then Y. Phone book, Y, Command C, Command V. And for your information, if your phone book doesn't look like this, you might be in a different view mode. You have to change this icon and click grid icon to show all characters. Okay, if you have any other questions, just comment below. Thank you.